Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. To those who are returning to my channel, thank you so much for returning. And to those who just bumped into my channel, guys, do not forget to subscribe and thank you so much for being here. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how I did these nails. They are really nice. I'm going to show you how to do nails at home, and I hope you enjoy this video. And it's so easy, it's super quick, and these are acrylic nails, and I used a plastic water bottle. If you want to see how I do this, I'm gonna put an iCard up there, how I do how I cut the water bottle to become nails. The iCard is up there, so make sure guys you go on and watch the video after this. Okay, so if you are interested in seeing how I did this, carry on watching. Okay, so this is the first step that I usually do when I'm doing my nails. I file my nails first. If you have like longer nails, cut them, baby, like cut them, and then after that you file so that the glue will stick on and the nails will stick on the nails. Okay, the fake nail will stick on the nails. If you want to see how I did this, these nails I did them with a plastic water bottle. I will insert the video up there so that you can go and watch, but you can go after this, okay, and then you come back here. So, what am I saying? You can go after this and then go and watch the video. So right now I'm using glue to just stick the nails on my actual nail. And this is a simple way to do nails. Like you have to make sure like they're straight, because like if you don't place them nicely, they're gonna bend and you're gonna have, that nail that is not okay, that is just bent. So yeah, so this is how you do it. Right now I'm just seeing if my nails are straight and everything is good and perfectly laid. What am I saying? Yeah, and perfectly placed or laid, whatever it is. So that is what I'm doing right now. I'm just making sure like the nail, like my actual, is it flesh, or yeah, doesn't get caught in the nail, because sometimes it hurts. So you have to make sure like it's really out of the way, and you just stick the fake nail to your actual nail and not the other part of your finger. So yeah, that is what I'm doing right now. And yeah, I was done, and I don't know what I was doing now, but after this, what you do is, I think I was just waiting for them to get dry, or I don't know what I was thinking, but like, yeah, here right now, I was just trying to shape them, even though they were a little bit shaped, but I wanted to cut them first. Okay, now I'm cutting them. So you can cut according to your size you want. I had cut them like this, and I wanted this size before I'd put them on my fingers, but I was like, no, I wanted like a shorter size. So here I was just making sure like the sizes are the same and the sizes are not different, because like you have to make sure like when you cut one nail, you go and match the nail with the other nail, so that like with the other nail from the other hand, to make sure like everything is just the same size, the same length. And yeah, that is it. Right now I was filing the nails, just wanting to get the shape that I want. Sometimes you have to, not sometimes, but most of the time, you have to make sure like you file your nail before you put the acrylic powder and liquid, because like it'll be much more difficult to file when you want to now achieve the shape that you want, when you've already put the acrylic on the nail that is not filed or that is not shaped. So it's advisable to just make sure you file your nail and get the desirable like length, desirable size, like the shape, everything that you want before you put the powder, the gel, whatever it is that you use on your fingers. So yeah, right now I was just I first filed, and then I was just using this buffer to kind of like make it, yeah, because this, you have to make sure you file this plastic, guys. For some nails you don't have to file, but with this one make sure you file, because like so that the acrylic will stick. So yeah, this I'm using I forgot the name of the acrylic child, like, but if I think you can see at that corner, that small bottle, that one has a colorless one, but it's just the same with the one that I'm using right now. It's kind of like the reason why. Okay, let me check, guys. Okay, just give me a minute to check. I don't know if I will find, but I realized like it's not far. Okay, I got it. So it's called a polymer. I don't know, true color, multicolor, white. So it's called a poly. I don't know, but yeah, this is for for the nails. It's for the nails. And I love this because like it doesn't get dry instantly. Okay, it doesn't get dry instantly. It dries up after some time. So it kind of just like firms and not too much. And then you can just drag it wherever you want. That's how, like, that's the reason why I really love this. You can drag it, you can, I don't know, move it wherever you want. It doesn't get dry quickly when you put it. It kind of gets like thicker when you put it, and then you can just move it and drag it wherever you want. If you feel like, okay, there's some part, as you can see, you can just drag it. Right now it's still liquidy, but like it doesn't firm, like it doesn't get, hard quickly. It just gets harder and harder with time. And even if you put it, you feel like it's not the right, like, what do you call it, the right shape or whatever, you can just take that liquid and then put it on top. It will start like soften. So that's why I really love this. It'll soften and then you can just reshape or do whatever you want to do. But if you are lazy like me, you can just swoosh it all over and just file. Okay, it all comes down to filing, guys. It all comes down to to filing. So right now I don't know, I just had to fast forward it because like it's a long process. It needs patience. It needs a lot of patience. If you don't have patience, baby, don't do this because yeah. So right now I was done. I was not done, but like yeah, for the white acrylic, I was done. So this is how you do your nails at home, guys. Right now I was just putting a little bit butterflies. They were like pink and I wanted them to be like green. So that's why you can see that green paste there is like Cutex. It's like nail polish that I, just spread all over. So the butterfly thingies, and yeah, this is what I'm using. And right now after I was done with this, I'm taking the white acrylic powder and liquid and just mixing it, and then just putting I want white lines after this butterfly design that is in. So you will see what I'm talking about when I'm done. So in between, you can see I'm putting it in between, and then yeah, it's just making, I don't know, just trying to get creative and just trying to make my nails nice. And I just think, okay, what do I do? And I just thought of this and I saw it was beautiful, and that is what I did. And to the other nail, now I didn't do the exact same thing, but I had to put like butterflies, like on the smaller nail. I had to put like butterflies, yeah, on the corner. And now I'm putting the colorless, the transparent acrylic powder over the butterfly, I don't know, those things. Yeah. So right now you leave it to dry. When you feel like it's dry, it's hard enough, you file. And after you file, you buff. You can see how beautiful they are, guys. They are so beautiful. Where you've put like the butterflies, you have to put it transparent so that like when you file and put the transparent nail polish, it will show. So right now I'm just using those wipes, wet wipes, to just wipe my hand to see my progress, because you have to see if, there is somewhere that needs to be filed again or whatever, because like when it's dusty you won't really see. So look at how this beautiful nail is, guys. I was really in love with this. Like I'm so in love with the shape, and I'm so in love with the design that I did. I was just thinking, and then I just said, okay, let me just put that. And on the small one I put like a different design, you will see, but it's just different. Okay, so I realized my actual nail is a little bit like nude, and then the transparent was showing, so I decided to put a nude nail polish underneath, so that like it has that same color when you look at it. I think you can see what I'm talking about, because you can see it was transparent, now it's nude all over, like from the bottom to the tip of the nail. So right now I'm putting on nude nail polish. I really love this nail polish, guys. It's my favorite, like it's my recent favorite, like it is right now. This nail polish is the it for me. Like I really am enjoying this nail polish, and I was just putting it on the other nails. Okay, right now I wanted to okay, I really wanted this bluish greenish color, and I knew because I had done it before, but I mixed it, the color was okay. And then when I put them on my, like when I put it on my nail, I think I don't know what happened, but like it didn't come out as the color that I wanted. So I just decided to just go with any color like that other green. But like you will see when I'm mixing right now. So if you want, just mix colors, guys. if you mix blue and green, it comes out as this and this color. If you mix red, and you know the drill. So yeah, so that is what I was doing. Okay, right now I was just making a kind of pattern. I don't know what pattern I was making here, but I just, just kind of be creative with it. Like, okay, yeah, exactly. Oh, child, look at the final product. It's really, really beautiful. Right now, I'm putting like a transparent nail polish to just finish the look off. And I'm really loving these nails, guys. They are giving me what it's supposed to give. Okay, like it's really giving. So after you're done with this, you're done. Look at how beautiful they are. Like, okay, other sides are just gonna wipe with acetone and it's gonna be good. Look at how beautiful my nails are, guys. So yeah, this is how you can make your nails at home. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. See you on my next video. Bye. So thank you so much, guys, for watching my nail video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope it was easy for you. As you saw, like I was kind of like tired. I did it like at night, but I am glad that I finished. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and become a part of the gang, okay? Period. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Bye.